What's up, everyone? Aspiring Core here, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a productive start to 2021. I was, no, I am caught up in the test since 4th Gen, but somehow today I picked up the camera to record a new video, and this is how it's been foggy, chilled days and I woke up a little late this morning. So keep watching to see how my day unfolded and how do I organize my notes digitally. My mom pampered me this morning with some delicious aloo puris and they taste even better in this chilly weather. So let's get started with the day. I attempted one mock test as the first thing in the morning. Attempting tests help you to track your progress and you get a gist of the topics to be focused upon and you become aware of the areas you are lacking in and where you need to put in some extra efforts. It's better to attempt your mocks at the same time when you will be attempting your exam. For example, we have our exams from 9:30 till 11:30 in the AM. It's recommended to attempt your test during same time so that our minds become more productive in that time frame of the day. So, after getting done with the mock test, I started revising some portions of polity and geography for the upcoming Punjab PCS exam. The exam is on 13th of February, so the exam is coming near and I have to really buckle up my preparation for the same. So, in geography, topics like atmospheric circulations, ocean currents, landforms, volcanism, and other geophysical phenomena. And then in India physical, the Indian physiographic features, drainage and rivers, vegetation and soil. And most importantly, the map work has to be done thoroughly. After 2 hours of the revision session, had to visit the city to get some work done and it was raining on the way. These western disturbances or the winter showers over northwestern India are caused by the weak temperate cyclones originating over Mediterranean Sea, traveling east all the way till here, causing rainfall in Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh. Over the Indo-Gangetic plains, they occasionally bring cold wave conditions and dense fog. And these showers are also beneficial for the rabi crops, and wheat among them is a significant crop. So, whatever we are studying in books, keep reiterating it, keep relating different topics, applying it to daily life, tell your family, your friends, your younger ones about these things. In this manner, you will retain the information for longer period of time and concepts will become clear day by day. Coming back to the theme of this blog, that is organization of notes. No matter how much I try to sort my Almira, it becomes the same mess after every 15 days. So now I organize my notes digitally. I use an app called GoodNotes 5. It's a paid app. I have divided the whole syllabus into different subjects and accordingly I have segregated the study material into these folders and Largely, I'm depending upon class 11th, 12th NCRTs, but for topics like disaster management, economy, governance, social justice, security, science and tech, I do refer to Vision IAS booklets since I did my foundation course with Vision, so I have a lot of their booklets. In essay also they provide a lot of supplementary information discussing different essay themes, so that is what I refer to. In here I have previous year question papers of prelims and mains both, the syllabus copy, and in this folder I have the toppers answer writing booklets just to see how they handle the questions. And for geography, again class 11 12th NCRTs, art and culture NCRT. For polity, Lakshmikant sir's book, I have it in hard copy and in digital copy as well. And for ethics as well, I refer to Vision material, the classes and the lectures I attended over there. So my optional is sociology. I have the IGNOU BA and MA material and the Harlumbus, the blue one, and the essential sociology book in hard copy. And the test series for both prelims and mains is in this folder. The strategy for New India and the 3-year action agenda by Niti Aayog, I downloaded in the summary form from this Drishti IAS. As we all know that we have to read a lot of government documents and government reports for the exam. So I just download them, just type the topic, type the reports, and just write UPSC with it on Google. You'll find a lot of good coaching institutes providing good information, good material from the UPSC perspective for free. Just download it, read it, revise it, understand it, learn it, and try to reproduce it on paper. So that is as far as the notes are concerned. The India yearbook, again the summary form. In ethics also we have a lot of second ARC reports that are to be referred, and this is a certain guideline for myself that if I lose track in between the preparation, how to go about it. And in this PCS folder, I'm preparing for Punjab PCS, so I have a lot of information regarding Punjab, the geography, economy, the agriculture, and the environment, geography and environment of Punjab. So this is as far as organizing my notes digitally is concerned. Organizing your notes digitally is easier to edit, to update, and to consolidate your notes. Of course, people have done it in traditional way as well, but here I am trying to attempt it in a new way so that it is easier. The clutter is less, it's less messy, and things are easy to pick out and find. Sometimes it's really hard to link different things because the material is not in front of your eyes. Whole the material is not in your front of your eyes. The physical material of course becomes really bulky, but this is just a thin tablet containing a lot of information. So this is it for organizing my notes. I hope you like it. Please do let me know how you organize your notes and what are your views on digitally organizing the notes. So now it's time for the aptitude and reasoning lecture. The thing with it is, the more you practice, the better the position you are in the exam. Only if candidate scores 66 and above, his or her paper 1 gets checked. If the candidate doesn't qualifies this paper, which is also called the CSAT paper, then the candidate is already out of the game. So please focus on it as well, and we should not take things lightly in life. So I wrapped up my day reading monthly magazine. I hope you enjoyed watching my day unfolding and the way I organize my notes. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep learning.